Alright, so what we're doing today is another smoothie. We picked up this pineapple. This is the Monte pineapple for like 25 cents because it's way overripe. So we're going to see if we can make an interesting lunch smoothie. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to clean up our area and we'll come right back and I'll show you how I can do with these apples. I want to start off with a fresh workstation every time you change fruits. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at, these are not crab apples, but they are apples that came off a French tree. Gail and Alan gave me these. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of tartness to our smoothie. Don't need to cut these have already been washed. Now I don't put the center of the apple, the pit. And I could have used with this my special apple core. But these are very small apples. It's just easier for me to lay the apple on the side and do this. And then take this. Okay, so these two pieces will go in. Now there's so much sugar in here, I'm not going to have to add any additional sugar. Alright, now we're going to put the cover on. But before we do that, right now, my favorite protein mix is called Plant-Based Vegan Smart All-in-One Nutritional Shake. I get a really good price. I buy this at Sam's Club for about $24. List price is $76 if you buy it online, so it's a really good deal. There is 34.4 ounces, or that's 2.28 pounds, or 1.03 kilograms. And it's got everything, all of the amino acids I need, vitamin B12. It's got everything that I need that I obviously probably don't get from my regular food. Alright, so what I do, I do one scoop, see, like this, and that's it. That will give me, so I use one scoop and I get 10 grams of protein. Okay, now what I do here next is I match on a Ninja you have to match the two triangles, otherwise it doesn't lock. And then I turn on the power. Take a look, see the power's right here. And I'm going to hold on the top, you don't really need to because it locks, but, and I'm going to pulse it. And you see a little waves are going to work into it. Liquidy, and it looked like, it does this. Come on, get in there. It thickens up. So I had 1 cup of almond milk, and this is the new almond milk that Sam's Club is coming out with, Members Mark Organic Almond. It's got 35 calories, and we're going to put a cup of this in. So here's a cup, and we're going to mix it over it. Okay, we're going to put in 7/8 of a cup because that's what I have on hand. All right, then once that's done, that's going to add the layer of liquid that you need to make the smoothie. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at it from this side, and I'm going to be pulsing it and talking in between. So we're just going to pulse it. Now let me show you what it looks like. Now it looks more like a smoothie. See how thick it is? So I'm taking a spoon to show you. It's much thicker. Now what I'm going to do next, see you still have those clumps? I'm going to put it on whip so that I can smooth this all out. It tastes delicious. So move this back. Put the triangles together. And I'm going to put it on one. Now what's happened, I can still see on the very bottom here there are some chunks. So now I'm going to put it on 3, which is really whipping it, so I can break apart those chunks. Now I got this clear glass so that you can see what it looks like. So first you have to twist it and pull it out. And you can try sometimes to pour it from here. And you see how thick it is? Now, if it had been thinner, I would have put a banana into this. And this is a very nice combination. It has some pulp, but it is not so much pulp as if you put in the core in. You can easily drink this. I'm going to actually put this in the refrigerator, and I have to have it drunk before tomorrow. Matter of fact, maybe if I'm lucky, I'll be able to have this delicious drink for tomorrow. But I've already learned you don't have much time when the fruit is this ripe to be able to keep it in your refrigerator. Well, thank you again for watching another one of our smoothies, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye-bye. Always fun getting these blades cleaned. The trick is to try and do it without cutting yourself and getting some of the juices off. And then I've already drank one glass. It was wonderful. Linda even approved of it. And there's no sugar in there. This is just all the natural sugars that you have. Now it is a little grittier, and if you don't like pulp in your drink, just strain it or use different fruits that don't have very much fiber. Pineapple is one of those fruits that have a lot of fiber. We bought this at Sam's Club. It's called Press and Seal. Very neat. So what you need to do is you want to make sure that the side of your cup is dry. Doesn't matter about the inside. And then this is like very soft paper. So you have to make it at least big enough, and then you close it down on it. The teeth on the inside. Alright, you lower the top and you do this, and what it does is it's got kind of like a glue or something on it, and it keeps, see, it keeps the drink from, if it does the spill, it wouldn't just spill all over the place. So that gives you an idea. So what we're going to do is we're going to stick this in the fridge right there, and then later today, right next to this sauce which I use all the time. I did not put any salsa in the drink, but regardless, this drink will be all ready for later in the day. Well, thank you very much for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.